Hello everyone, welcome to my travel blog. Today we are in Pabna, Bangladesh, visiting the memorial house of the legendary actress Suchitra Sen, one of the most cherished stars in Bengali cinema. I'm here with my wife and son, and we're so excited to explore this piece of cinematic history together. Suchitra Sen was born on April 6, 1931, right here in Pabna. She became an icon in Bengali cinema, renowned for her performances and unique beauty. Known to her family as Roma, she later took the name Suchitra Sen, a name that would become legendary in both Bangladesh and India. Her life story is one of the resilience, grace, and dedication to her craft. Suchitra made her acting debut in 1952 film Shesh Kothay. Sadly, the film was never released. However, this didn't stop her from rising to fame. Her pairing with Uttam Kumar, another legendary actor, became one of the most celebrated duos in Bengali cinema. Together they starred in many memorable films like Satpake Batha and Saptapadi, capturing the hearts of millions. The film Saptapadi especially was groundbreaking with its famous song, Ei Pod Jodi Na Shesh Hoy, that still resonates with audience today. Walking through his house, you can feel her presence. The room holds memories of her past, a simple yet elegant lifestyle that mirrors her on-screen persona. This house is filled with her awards, achievements, and photographs from her life and career, especially the photos. The pictures of her family too, including her daughter Moon Sen and granddaughter Raima Sen, who both followed in her footsteps in the film industry. Beyond her roles and fame, Suchitra was a private person. He was married to Divanath Sen and lived a quiet spiritual life. Many don't know that she was a debut practitioner of spirituality, especially later in her life. Her life was not just about stardom, it was about staying true to herself, her values, and her roles. Suchitra Sen's impact on Bengali cinema cannot be overstated. Her portrayal of strong, complex female characters broke new grounds for women in film. Even though she retired from the industry in the 1970s, her legacy has only grown stronger with time. To these days, she remembered as timeless beauty, versatile actress, and an inspiring figure. As we wrap up our visit here at Suchitra Sen's Memorial House, I'm reminded of her dedication, talent, and the legacy she left behind. This small memorial in Pabna keeps her memory alive and connects us to her extraordinary life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history, and if you enjoyed learning about Suchitra Sen, please like, share, and comment below. Let's keep her legacy alive by sharing this with others who may not know the story of this incredible actress. Until next time, happy travel and thank you for your watching. Cheers.